once I'm done axing a spoon blank out, I really don't get up off the spoon wheel until I'm done carving the spoon. I use a quick clamp a lot to help me out. Just makes some of the cuts easier. I can use a more powerful cut. Right now I'm using a gouge carving platform that I've designed and made, and this allows the use of a gouge without causing your elbows to get sore if I were to grip it up in the jaws of the spoon mule. In the description I'll include a link to a video I made on this gouge carving platform. Keep watching. I'm going to show you other areas where I use this quick clamp. And don't forget to like and subscribe. When possible, I like to use a draw knife rather than a sloyd knife. I just find that I can make quicker work of it with a draw knife. And here's a scenario where I could make these cuts holding the spoon blank in the jaws of the spoon blank. However, the quick clamp allows me to have a better view of my work, because I would have to hold this on its side to make these cuts holding it in the jaws. And there you'll see a scrap piece of wood that's keeping the spoon from pivoting. The cuts I'm making here with a sloyd knife can be done holding the spoon in your hand. However, I can make more powerful cuts, and cutting in this area of the spoon is a little more difficult to do safely, so using the quick clamp just makes it easier. Here I'm just basically doing the same thing that I did on the other side of the spoon. There is a lot of work that I did with the spoon held in my hand. I am not including any of that footage, as well as any footage of it being held in the jaws, because this video is about using the quick clamp on the spoon mule and showing ways in which makes it easier. So in short, I found that the quick clamp adds a lot of versatility to spoon carving, and it allows many cuts to be made easier and sometimes safer. So give it a try. It only cost me $9. This is a Harbor Freight Bremen quick clamp. Hope you guys have enjoyed today's video. I just wanted to kind of share with you, because I haven't seen it anywhere else on the internet, or I'm sure it's out there, but no one else seems to be using a quick clamp along with their spoon mule, and I found it really really helpful. I can oftentimes make more powerful cuts, and I find it easier. There's always a way that you can hold something different in your hand, but using this quick clamp has really helped me in carving faster and oftentimes safer. Hope you guys have enjoyed the video. Please like and subscribe. I hope to catch you on the next one.